Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha and in this video we're going to see how you can add users, give them page roles and what are the capabilities of each of the page roles. So when you have a WordPress website or any, let's say, social media or anything, there are few rules assigned for people. So when it comes to WordPress, there will be a developer, there will be a designer, there will be an author, editor, all those things. So you have to give a proper page role for each of the individual, else it would be a mishap. So let's get right into the video and see what are these page roles and how you can assign them to various persons. So first of all, I'm going to add a user for my website. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website and this is my dashboard. So I'm going to go to settings. Sorry, not settings, but users. You can see the users down to the plugins. So this is me, which is the editor, which is the admin of the WordPress website. This is Educate WordPress, as you can see. So I'm going to add a new user. So this by default, when a person creates a WordPress website, that person goes to a admin role. He gets the administrator role. So if you have a multi website, or let's say there are website connected to your website, then that person has more powers than an admin. So that role is called super admin, which you will not be able to see here. But when you have multi websites connected to your website, then you will have the super admin role, where you can manage this websites, the network and the roles, everything. He has more superpowers than the admin. So let's go and add the user. You need a username, whatever. Let's say you can see here it's the name, so you must give a username. Then you're going to provide with an email, then a first name, then a last name, and the website if there's any required. So there's a password also. You should send you should give the password to that person so as to log in this WordPress website, which is the website/VP admin. So in order to log in, there needs to be a password. So you can give whatever password you need from the show password from here. So this is the auto-generated password. You can just share this or you can edit and give another password. So what happens is, when you give the email, when you give the name, that person will be notified with a mail of logging into this WordPress website. Else you can give manually. You can manually set this up also. So we are going to discuss about this role. As you can see, there's a shop manager, customer, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administration. Starting further down, the value of these goes on increasing. Let's say for a normal WordPress website, there is an administrator, there's an editor, there's an author, contributor, and subscriber. For a WooCommerce website, when you are selling some products, for a WooCommerce website, there is a customer and a shop manager page roles also. So from the down, administrator has almost all the powers in this WordPress website. He can do from theme, he can edit the theme, he can add plugin, install plugins, update the plugin, all those things. Everything can be done by the administrator. Admin has the superpower in this WordPress website. Now let's go to the editor. So editor has the power of adding post pages or adding contents to your WordPress website, and also not only that person's content but also other users' contents, which we'll be explaining in the next step. So let's talk about the author. When an author is someone who can contribute, who can write posts in your website and also publish them. So he has the role of publishing whatever he writes. So if there's another role, which is the editor. So editor has the power of modifying whatever the author has written. All right. So there's an author, there's an editor. Author can write his own post and publish his own creatives, but an editor can also edit this author's post also. So he dominates the author. So there is next step, which is contributor. So in contributor, the person who this person can edit or add post on your WordPress website, but cannot publish it. This publishing can only be done by the editor. So he just have to give a post, like write a post and just leave it there or save it as a draft. Or that's what a contributor can do. Now there is subscriber. So a subscriber is who's someone who just log into your WordPress website. For example, you create a login, like you log in into into a website by giving your email address, your password, you giving a manual password. So that person is a subscriber. So subscriber is anyone outside of your network. So whoever comes to visit your website, that person is called the subscriber. Then there is customer and shop manager. So this is an exclusive for WooCommerce website. So shop manager is someone, if you have a multi-vendor setup, that shop manager, like let's say consider the website as Amazon. So in Amazon there are various sellers. Those sellers has the ability to add the products, write the stock or manage the stock. All those things are managed by the shop manager. Then there is customer, which is similar to the subscriber with a little bit of difference. That's it. So after you have done this, you just have to click on to the add new, and then the person who got the role, who is assigned with the role, has to log in with the website and also confirm the email address. That's how the page roles are managed, and that's how you can add a user to your WordPress website. So hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to Educate WordPress. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye.